Good morning, children. Sairam, how are you all? Yes, we all are fine at your home, isn't it? So, are you all ready for today's session? Yes. So, today we are going to solve word problems. Okay? We are going to solve word problems. Exercise 8.5. First question. There are 24 pencils in a box. There are 24 pencils in a box. 1/8 of them are sharp. 1/8 of them are sharp. How many pencils are not sharp? How many pencils are not sharp? So totally there are 24 pencils. So out of 24 pencils, 1/8 are sharp. So we are going to find out the number of pencils that are not sharp. Okay. So for that, first we have to find out the number of pencils that are sharp. Okay. So for that, they have given in fraction, isn't it? So we have to find out the value of the fraction 1/8 of 24. Okay. So and then we have to subtract that that number of pencils that are sharp from the total number of pencils. Okay, then we will get the number of pencils that are not sharp. Okay, so see the solution. Total pencils, which is equal to 24. Number of sharp pencils, so they have given in fractions, isn't it? 1/8 of 24. So 1/8 of 24. So we are going to find this value. Okay, we are going to find the value of this 1/8 of 24. That means 1/8 into 24. So we have to divide this 24 by 8. So we can cancel, isn't it? So 8 ones are 8 and 8 threes are 24. So the number of pencils that are sharp are 3. So out of 24 pencils, 3 pencils are sharp. So now we have to find out the number of pencils that are not sharp, isn't it? So we have to subtract this 3 from the total number. Total number is 24. So we have to subtract this 3 from 24. Okay. So look at this. Number of pencils which are not sharp, which is equal to 24 minus 3, which is equal to 21. So number of pencils which are not sharp is 21. Okay. So out of 24 pencils, 21 pencils are not sharp and 3 pencils are sharp. Is it clear? Yes. The next problem, second one. Simi, Rahul, Smart and Aftab each walked from their houses to the park. So these 4 people walked from their houses to the park. Okay. So Simi walked 1/2 mile, half mile. Okay. Rahul walked 2/8 mile. Amar walked 3/4 mile. And Aftab walked 5/8 mile. Arrange these distances from the greatest to the least. So we are going to arrange these distances from the greatest to the least. That means we are going to arrange these distances in descending order, isn't it? From the greatest to the least. So we are going to arrange these distances in descending order. Okay. So for that, we have to make these distances, all these fractions, that means all these fractions into like fractions, isn't it? The denominators should be same. Then only we can arrange these fractions in descending order. Okay. So look at the solution. Distance Simi walked is half mile. Distance Rahul walked is 2/8 mile. Distance Amar walked is 3/4 mile. Distance Aftab walked is 5/8 mile. So two fractions are like fractions. What are they? This 2/8 and this 5/8. So these two fractions are having same denominators. So we have to change these two fractions into like fractions. That means we have to make these denominators into 8. Okay, 8, because these two fractions are having the denominators as 8. So we are going to make these denominators as 8. So for that, what we have to do? So we have to multiply this denominator by some number to make this denominator as 8. So which number can we multiply? So 2 4s are 8, isn't it? 2 4s are 8. So two fractions are having same denominators 8. So we are going to make this denominator as 8. For that, we have to multiply this denominator and numerator. So if we multiply any number with the denominator, we have to multiply that number with numerator also. Okay. So look at the denominator. We have to change this denominator as 8. So by which number can we multiply to get 8? So 2 4s are 8, isn't it? So you have to multiply this 4 with the numerator also. Okay. So this fraction becomes 1 4s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. So this fraction becomes 4/8. Okay. So similarly, we make this fraction. Okay. We make this denominator as 8. So by which number we have to multiply to get 8? Here we are having 4. So by which number we have to multiply? 4 2s are, isn't it? 4 2s are 8. So you have to multiply it with numerator also, isn't it? So the numerator becomes 3 2s are 6. 6/4 2s are 8. So this fraction becomes 6/8. So now all these fractions are like fractions because all the denominators are same. What are the fractions we are having? 4/8, 2/8, 6/8 and 5/8. Okay. So they have changed, isn't it? 1/2 becomes 4/8 and 3/4 becomes 6/8. So we are having 4/8, 5/8, 6/8 and 2/8. Okay, these are all the fractions we are having. So we have to arrange these fractions in descending order. That means from the greatest to the smallest. Which one is the greatest? So we have to look at the numerators only because all the denominators are same. So we have to look at the numerators only. Okay. So which one is the greatest? 6, isn't it? So we have to write 6/8 first. And the next one, so we can strike out. Next one, next greatest number in the numerator is 5, isn't it? So we have to write 5/8. So we can cross out. So we are having 4/8 and 2/8. So which one is greatest? We have to look at the numerators only. Which numerator is the greatest? Next greatest? 4, isn't it? So 4 by 8. And last one is 2 by 8. Okay? Is it clear? Yes. So order is 6 by 8, 5 by 8, 4 by 8 and 2 by 8. And we can simplify it. So second table. 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. So this fraction becomes 3 by 4. And we cannot simplify, so we can write as it is. We can reduce to the lowest form. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. So this fraction become, and again we can simplify. So 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So this fraction becomes 1 by 2. And similarly, so this is, they have given fraction 2 by 8. So we have written as it is. These two fractions we have changed into like fractions, isn't it? So the original fraction is 3 by 4, 5 by 8, 1 by 2 and 2 by 8. Okay. And the third one, Kavya and Vishal go to the beach to collect shells. Kavya and Vishal go to the beach to collect shells. They carry bags of the same size. Kavya fills 4 by 15 of her bag and Vishal fills 3 by 15 of his bag. So both are having same size bag, and Kavya fills 4 by 15 of her bag and Vishal fills 3 by 15 of his bag. So the question is, whose bag is more full and by how much? Okay, we are going to find out whose bag is more full and by how much. Okay. So Kavya fills 4 by 15 of her bag. Vishal fills 3 by 15 of his bag. So both the fractions are like fractions. So we can easily compare which one is big. Isn't it? Both fractions are like fractions because both the fractions are having same denominators. So we can easily compare. So we have to look at the numerators only. Here the numerator is 4 and here the numerator is 3. So obviously 4 is greater than 3, which implies 4 by 15 greater than 3 by 15. So who fills 4 by 15? Kavya, isn't it? So who fills more? Kavya fills more than Vishal. Okay. And now we have to find out how much, by how much. So we have to subtract 4 by 15 minus 3 by 15. Okay. So look at this. Kavya fills 4 by 15 of her bag. Vishal fills 3 by 15 of his bag. So obviously 4 greater than 3, which implies 4 by 15 greater than 3 by 15. So this gives that Kavya fills more than Vishal. Isn't it? So Kavya's bag is more full. By how much? So for that we have to subtract 4 by 15 minus 3 by 15. So denominator is same. So we can subtract the numerators only. So 4 minus 3 by 15. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 1 by 15. So Kavya's bag is more full by 1 by 15 than Vishal. Is it clear, children? Yes. So you have to read the question carefully. Okay. Read and understand the question. Then only you can answer. Okay. Look at that whether they have given fraction or a number. Okay. So read the question carefully and then you can answer. Okay children. So with that we have completed this chapter, fractions. Okay, so now it is your part. Okay, so do practice all the problems given in your textbook. Okay, in your exercise. Okay, then only you will be cleared with the concept. Okay, so study well. See you in the next class. Thank you.